The best blenders make it easy to create a whole range of healthy foods and tasty treats. You can use yours to whiz up great smoothies, blend soup, juice fruit, and even make things like hummus, mayonnaise, and salsa. If you're used to buying shop-bought smoothies or soups, making your own and blending it at home can save you a ton of money in the long run too. There's plenty of choice about, but this guide is here to simplify things and help you find the best blender for you. We've tested a wide range, including portable blenders for single-serve smoothies and jug blenders that are designed to sit on your kitchen counter, and you can get the lowdown on our top picks below. In our tests, we assess not only how well each model blends different types of food, but also things like how noisy it is and how easy it is to clean. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best blenders and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you, and as always, you can check pricing for any of these products. In the description below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid K150. The best value KitchenAid blended. The KitchenAid K150 is this popular brand's entry-level blender, but it's a strong performer. On test, we found that it quickly pulverized fruit and vegetables and made a great mayo. If you're a cocktail fan, a durable blender that can easily crush ice is a must-have, and this model won't disappoint you. It's a great all-rounder. The features aren't as comprehensive as many blenders on this list. There are 3 speed settings and no presets. That means it's arguably not the best value option here, given that it's still in the mid-range bracket, although more affordable in the US than it is in the UK. However, if you want a simple but effective blender and you like KitchenAid's stylish design aesthetic, it's a solid pick. If you can stretch to a higher price and have your heart set on this brand, the KitchenAid Artisan K400 performed better on the test. The KitchenAid K150 blender is a basic model and the most affordable in the KitchenAid blender range. It's a simple, no-fuss blender with no accessories and minimal speed settings. It's ideal as a first blender, but seasoned cooks might find the lack of speed settings frustrating. It's great for crushing ice, making mayo, and it can blend a good smoothie. The downsides are the small capacity pitcher and the fact the base is plastic, not metal like other premium KitchenAid blenders. Number 4. NutriBullet Pro 900, the best blender for small kitchens. The NutriBullet Pro 900, just called the NutriBullet 900 in the UK, is the perfect blender for those who are short on counter space. It has a small footprint but packs plenty of power. It's designed like a portable blender, with cups that can be removed and used to drink from directly, or there are larger cups for bigger blending jobs. It's not as versatile as a true jug blender like the Breville or Sage model at number 1, and you only have a single speed and no pulse options here. However, on test, we found it very effective. This NutriBullet does a great job of breaking down veg and fruit, even when it's frozen. It's 50% more powerful than the original NutriBullet, and the blade spins at 24,000 RPM to make light work of smoothies. With a shake halfway through, it also did a good job with thicker smoothies and dips, although in general it's better at liquid blends than anything chunkier. NutriBullet promises 1-minute smoothies, and that's exactly what we got in our tests. Provided you put everything in the right order, with liquid going in last, and don't overfill it, the results are consistently great. Compact and convenient, the NutriBullet Pro 900, just the 900 in the UK, is perfect for smaller kitchens, delivering around 2 portions at a time. There's only one setting, but it offers you 50% more power than the original NutriBullet, with the speedy blade delivering super smooth results. I found it to be fast and efficient, although for thicker smoothies and dips, I did have to give the bowl a shake midway through to dislodge ingredients sticking to the sides. Number 3. Ninja Blast. The best portable smoothie blender. If you just need something compact to tackle a daily smoothie or protein shake, the Ninja Blast is the best blender for the job. Not only is it travel-friendly and retro-stylish, but it's compact and capable. Because it's small and cordless, it doesn't have the outright power as corded models in this list. But on test, it proved more than up to the job of creating a smooth smoothie, even using fibrous fruits and vegetables. Just don't expect it to be able to crush ice effectively. You won't get all the various modes and presets you'll find with pricier jug blenders. Ninja keeps things super simple here. There's a single start, stop button on the base, and a cycle. When dealing with drier, thicker blends, it still delivers well-blended results. The Blast has a built-in rechargeable battery that gives you 10-15 blend cycles before recharging, meaning that you can take it with you on camping trips, road trips, and more. Finally, with an affordable price tag, it's a fantastic value for money. Ninja's blenders are generally top-of-the-range products, and the Ninja Blast continues that trend with its powerful blades, portable technology, and wonderful retro design. While it isn't designed for hot substances, and therefore won't be able to help much with soups, it's great at breaking down fibrous fruits and vegetables, and decent at crushing ice. Number 2. Breville the Fresh and Furious. The best medium capacity blender, If our number one pick is a little big, check out the Breville Fresh and the Furious, known as Sage the Fresh and Furious in the UK. This blender combines the brand's sleek styling with power to create a compact blender that's effective and easy to use. It's also more affordable than other models the brand offers, although the base is made from plastic rather than metal. The 1.6 quart, 1.5 liter jug is smaller than most other Breville blenders and smaller than the 2-liter capacity of the Braun Triforce number 1. On test, this blender performed well across the board. It was able to liquidize pineapple and leafy spinach into a completely smooth and lightly aerated drink, with no bits, as well as crush ice, chop nuts, and emulsify eggs and oil into mayonnaise, with no issues. We found a slight amount of leakage when the blender was filled to maximum capacity, but this was only in the well of the lid and not enough to be a serious concern. If you need a general-purpose jug blender for a wide range of kitchen needs, the Fresh and Furious is an excellent choice. Breville the Fresh and Furious is a neat, compact blender that's affordable, and a great option if you're looking for a well-made blender, but can't justify the higher price tag of Breville's more premium models. It pulverizes spinach and pineapple into a silky smoothie, has no problem crushing ice, and can cope well with small quantities. However, it can't hold the same large capacities as Breville's top-of-the-range blenders. Number 1. Braun Triforce Power Blend 9. The best blender overall. If you're looking for an ultra-capable, versatile, all-rounder, the Braun Triforce or Power Blend 9 in the UK and Australia is the best blender for you. After testing, it quickly became our regular reviewers' go-to blender. It excels at the basics, offering quick and efficient blending of a wide range of ingredients, partly thanks to an unusual triangular jug shape that funnels the mixture down towards the blades, leaving little if any stuck to the sides. It's also extremely customizable, with 6 presets and 3 texture settings for each, plus 10 manual speed options. On test, we found all of the presets delivered the consistency we wanted, creating smooth smoothies, consistently textured hummus, and effectively crushed ice. The presets stray away from the standard offerings to more unusual, but very welcome additions like a hot soup mode and chop function. While it can be a little noisy on higher settings, it's worth it for the speed and power on offer. The 2L just as generous, so if you want something a little more compact, check out our number 2 pick instead. The Braun Triforce Power Blender, or the Braun Power Blend, has quickly become one of my kitchen favorites. It ticks all the boxes you'd expect from a blender, with a few added features such as a hot soup mode and chop function for good measure. Its unique triangular jug makes blending quick and efficient without leaving anything stuck to the sides. It's packed with handy presets like smoothie and spread, making operation a breeze. And although it's a bit loud on higher settings, it compensates with speed and power.